Good morning and welcome to my world. I'm using the Interactive Broker Trader Workstation. What I'm going to do is show you how I set my system up. You really only need to do this one time and then you can forget about it and just concentrate on trading from that point on. First of all, I come up here to File, click on it. You'll notice I have autosave settings and use storage settings on server. That's in the case if I have a power failure or if I'm traveling or something. I just like to have mine where it automatically saves out on my screen. I don't have to redo everything every single day. The next thing I have is set up is under Page. If you want to rename to whatever you want to call your trading platform, you can rename it. And then also what's called Trader Dashboard. Trader Dashboard will fill in this gray area right here. It'll show you cash in your account, margin, buying power, the Dow Jones average, the S&P, any information that you find helpful, it will show that always up in here. Time and sales, if it's not lit up on your screen right here, you would go here and put it on information and hit time and sales, and that icon then will immediately show up over here. What that's good for is to show you actually the time and sale of each and every transaction on that particular stock that you're watching throughout the day. Something that you're going to get real familiar with is under View, you're going to go and hit Account Management. Lack of space and time on this short video, I'm not going to do it, but that's where you're going to go to set up your, get your tax forms printed for you automatically, filled out. Whether you're going to trade or pay taxes on a quarterly basis or an annual basis, that's where you would go to do that. Very simple. They do it for you automatically. Also, if you're going to make withdrawals like I do on a monthly basis, you go here and you do cash transfers. You can either have them to send you a check or you can have them to do a bank wire transfer. I found the bank wire transfer is much easier to do. The next thing is under Order. We're going to find something that says Configure Order Presets. This is very important that you learn and know what all this is, but if you want to change your order types, this is where you can change it where it'll be permanently on here. But I want to show you here. Allow orders to be activated, triggered, or filled outside of regular trading hours. You would click on this if that's what you want that to do. That's helpful if you're going to trade before the market open or after the market open. I just urge you to use caution. Know what you're doing before you do that. The second thing is you have to come down and set here, these are precautionary settings, but set down, it may be blank on yours, I'm not sure. But if you're trading 1,000 shares or 5,000 shares at a time, at least put it to that level there. If not, you go to make a trade, it will not execute for you. Now, I've already have one set up here, but if you want to enter your stock, you would just type in the symbol right here. Just as I did here, I'll put AA, hit enter, that's Alcoa. You would put the stock in right there, and you would see that's where it closed. C stands for close. But since I've already got it set up here, I want to show you how this works. If you want to add to that position, you come here and you just click on, I'm going to sell, 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 and now I want to put a buy in. I'll put a buy in. Very simple. This is, click on this if you want to change out from a buy to a sell. Click on here to change the amount. If you want to change it from a market to a trail or limit, that's where you would go to. Over here when you click on T, that's transmit. That's immediately going to take your order. And this is one of the key things to make you a fast trade right here. Mine is since the market this is a live and active account. I can't click on this right now, even though the market's closed. Once you click on it, though, it's going to show a screen, and the screen's going to show you what you just are trying to buy, and it's going to say, "Are you sure you want to do this transaction?" But it's going to show you the dollar amount that you're going to spend. It's going to show you if you're on margin, it's going to show you what it is. It's going to show you the commission. But the main thing, it's going to have a little block down there. It says, "Are you sure you want to do this? And do you want to see this picture every time you want to transmit the execution?" And the answer is no. So if you'll click on that, it's going to be at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Click no. So from the future, when you go to click T for transmit, you will immediately bought or sold whatever that transaction is. Have a good day, and I'll see everybody trading